These guys are the hardest thing to find right now on the market. Now, I'm not talking about the 1650 Super. I'm talking about GPUs in general. People are trying to get their hands on whatever they can. That's why I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this 2-year-old brand new 1650 Super. Stick around. Here we are with the EVGA GeForce GTX 1650 Super. This is going to be really good for today's standards if you still want to keep up with the 1080. I would highly recommend not doing just the 1650. The 1660 is good and the 1660 Super is also good as well. What I like about this is it's still running the GDDR6, so it's up to date with the latest memory, so that's good. Let's take a look at the back right here. We do have the English side and the French side right here. We see GeForce highlights, G-Sync compatible. It does look like it only supports a display port, one HDMI port, and one DVI. Right here on the bottom, just a bunch of information, GeForce Experience. Let's go ahead and open this up. To make this video a little bit easier, I went ahead and cut open that warranty sticker. There it is right there. Gonna take this guy out. Put the box to the side right here. Going to keep this down. Right here we have a little installation guide, which is pretty cool. Open this up. It seems to be wrapped pretty well. Got the sticker right here. Let's go ahead and take that off. And there it is, you guys. Move that to the side. Got the static bag. Let's go ahead and take that. Oh, really big bag. Looks like it can be used for bigger GPUs, which is kind of funny. So let's go ahead and take this out. Move that bag out of the way, and let's take a look at this puppy. Really, really clean. I love how EVGA has their logo right there on the blades. Running 2 blades, which is cool. Right there, they do keep a cover right here, which is good. If we take a look on the side, there is a DVI, which is a little old school, but still works. We also have the display port and HDMI. Take a look right here, EVGA GeForce GTX Super. Right here's the back, GeForce GTX 1650 Super. And we have a 6-pin right here, you guys. Now that we've seen the EVGA 1650 Super, let's go ahead and throw the specifications on the screen. This concludes the video on the unboxing of the EVGA 1650 Super. Curious to see what you guys think. Would you guys still rock this in 2021? Let me know in the comment section below. My name is Josh, I'm Master PC Builder. Until next time.